Morning, guys. Time to make Randy feel awkward. It's the first day of testing for sdba crossville. We got some footage we're going to throw together. We're headed out there here to the track now. We're going to get set up. Hopefully we'll be testing this afternoon. Stick around. Alright guys, and we are set up. We're out here in lovely Crossville. Show you some run around to the track with a little music here. Hopefully y'all enjoy that. Let's get on to the action. Alright guys, so that was the first two test passes. First one we ran a hair slow. Second one he got out of the groove. Nothing you can really do about that. So we checked the alignment on the rear wheel. It's good now. It was 3/16 out. We went ahead and set the same tune-up in it, and we're getting ready to run again as soon as the lane's open. Right now they're doing a shootout. This fine gentleman next to us had a clutch explode. We pulled some sort of miracle off, and in about 15 minutes put a new clutch in. So he made his shootout. So hopefully next clip's test number 3. Alright folks, and as you can see it's a little dark. We got our number. We actually ran a hair fast. Going into that run, I saw the DA and knew we were going to be a hair fast. I knew we were going to be about 2 numbers fast. We're pretty much dead on that. So we should be set for tomorrow. Watch that video coming out tomorrow.